Morning everybody! Wave, wave, wave. Just making our way up here. Today it's a local club dig. I think the club's been here some time ago, but me and Mr D haven't, so... Well, I don't think you have you? No. No. So, it's going to be interesting. There's been some... That's the river. Very nice. There's been a couple of nice things found in the past, so everyone's galloped off as usual, and we're trailing behind, but we'll get there and see what happens. Catch you on my first find, hopefully. I thought I'd give you a heads up before I start. Seems there's plenty of peeps, and just to give them a little shout out, we've got the duo metal detecting Daz, Hot Diggity Dale. He loves that name. Daz thought it up for him. Brilliant. So check them out on YouTube. I'm sure they'll be doing one today. Here we go then. This is one of the fields. Catch you on hopefully my first find then. Boo! Oh my god. We've all been around. I've been around. Absolutely nothing but bits of metal. Absolutely poor. There's Mr D. And here's my first find after probably an hour of digging. Which is looking like, excuse my little throat, a tinsy wincy wincy little buckle. Not as grand as my last one. It's a Mr D buckle. Yay! Mr D's first find of the day, and he's won the first coin of the day too.
A coin.
Can't tell what it is, but
wow, anything will do. I've not seen a coin.
Deep and
What is
do
it?
that.
What size is it?
quite worn.
Yeah.
Well done.
So there is coins in here.
Yeah, there is. I think that was
Yay, there's hope. Well, we've come on to field number 2. You can't see where one was. It was over there. It was a load of pants. So we've all come on to this one. Mr D's way over there. And this is my first decent find on here. No idea. Could be a Roman something or other, but I doubt it very much. There you are. Ta-da! Okay, well this is field number 3. A lot of people have left completely, gone, bye-bye, given up. A lot of green waste on here, unfortunately, as it turns out to be. And that's my first find on this field. A button. Woohoo! My first one today. And as yet, I've still blanked. I think that's Mr D right up over there. We've had a spot of lunch, hoping that'll give us a bit of oomph, but finds are really poor. Never mind, fill up my hole and carry on. Oh, you just saw me with a button over there. I was talking a bit quietly because peeps were around, and I have just found, and I've just been going, oh my god, because seriously, oh, you've got to excuse me, I've got flies going mad around me. Now, I don't quite... Oh, Jesus. Let me focus. It's broken. It's broken, though. I'm absolutely gutted. Oh, Jesus. Right, there's this bit. Oh, my God. What have I found? Look at that, it's in bits. I don't care. Well, I do care. I don't care. I'm getting dirty. I'm just. Oh, I so want to clean this up. That looks to me like one heck of a buckle. But where does that come into it? Can you see what I've got? I've got 3 bits there, and then I've got this. I don't know how that would have gone. Now I'm going to double check my hole, because obviously there was lots and lots of little readings. Oh, Jesus, I believe it's in bits. Oh my God. Alright, so we've got, let me get my spade. Oh, so she bangs it. I'm going to die in a minute. Now then, what have I got? I've got this bit. Which I'm presuming. Oh, look at me, like a child with a Lego toy. I think that goes like that. And then that, I think I'm missing a bit still, aren't I? I'm missing a corner. But then you've got that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, that's gorgeous. Right, so that's what I've got. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm gonna have another good hunt around there to see if I can find that missing bit there. Oh, I can't wait to give that a clean. That's something else that, you know, that looks like, I don't know. Oh, I don't know, because it just looks too big for that, surely. So I don't know. I don't know. Oh! Right, okay. There we are, and I shall give it another hunt. If I find it, I'll get back to you. Oh, made up. Absolutely made up. Like I say, this is field number 3, and I found a button over there, which is my first decent find of the day, really. This farm has been sadly covered in green waste. Again, another local club dig that we've unfortunately gone on, and then you find out there's green waste all over it, so everyone's a bit gutted. And there's Jack Diddley come up, really. I think Mr. D's way over there having a chat with peeps. But, yeah, it's been extremely hard work today, but, you know, no pain, no gain, as they say, and we've had the morning, we've had lunch, and this is my reward. That's what I have found. So there we go. I'm going to give it another hunt then, and if you catch me, you're lucky. Catch you in a bit. I have just yesed out loud for the world. No, it's pretty worn. Is it biggie? It's quite big. There we go. My first coin of the day. It's my first one today.
Oh, it's rolling. It's a big cartwheel penny.
You reckon? I don't know if it's big enough for a cartwheel.
I'll tell you what it is, it's one of them pennies, you know, them in between, like William IV or something like that.
Yeah.
I think it could even be Roman, but I don't think it is.
Yeah,
It's too
probably
round.
not. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit too edged for a Roman, I reckon.
Yeah, give it a wash. It might be George III.
Might be something come up. But yes.
I've had a nice halfpenny.
Yeah?
A really nice one from here. I've had a sixpence for George III. George III halfpenny. It's knackered.
Oh, yeah. Not so bad.
This is alright from here. I'm surprised this come on it off here. It's not It's in good condition of
Oh,
that.
look at that. Oh, that's good, isn't it?
For 1863.
Yeah. Just doing a YouTube. That's lovely. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah.
Not going to make us rich.
I know, but yay. At least we're not blanked. Lovely. There we go. See if I can see anything of it when I get home. Woohoo! Am I over the moon? I just filled the hole in, and I should have gone over my detector. I think I was just that overwhelmed. I'd found a coin. When I put the plug back in and went over, got another reading, but it made out it was a bit more to the side. Look at that. Oh my god. So there I have, I've blanked all day, and then I've gone and found 2. Eureka. Great stuff. I mean, totally worn. Boo-hoo. Totally worn, but yes. 2 coins. Oh, 2 coins, excellent. Woo! So, I don't know if you can see the cows at the top there, but that's me done in here. Mr. D's done in here. So we're gonna make our way back to the car. And I think there's a couple of people left in there, but no, I think we've exhausted it. Thankfully I didn't blank, and glorious weather. Da 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 da. Ooh, lovely. Most peeps are gone though. We're only gone 2 o'clock. We're not even 3 yet. It's just the way it goes, the way the cookie crumbles. What have you found, Mr. D? You found? You found the 1 coin, but it was the first coin of the competition day, so you've won a competition. But I won the most coins and artifacts. There we go. Right, we should go up there and grab a juice. Just missed it, but there's just been 2 grown men chased down the hill by the cows. Oh, bless them. And that's exactly why we vacated. We don't like cows. There they are, hiding behind the hedging. Oh dear, bless them. Right then everybody, that's us all done. We're all packed away and had a drink and said our goodbyes. And we're going to shoot off home now and give our few little finds a clean, and I'll pop them on the end of the video. I hope you've all got out and had some good luck. And if you're going out, happy hunting to you. And thank you all for watching. And I must say a big thank you to all my subscribers. I've just gone over 500, and that's so lovely. It's absolutely brilliant knowing I've got lots of people as keen as I am having a look at my videos. Thank you all very much. So I shall hopefully catch you soon. We've got a club coach trip coming up in a couple of weeks, so hopefully we might get out before then, but everywhere's a bit long grassed at the minute and it's a bit hard getting on, so we shall see. So I shall stop babbling and say thank you again and catch you all again soon. Bye for now.